He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a calm demeanor, remarkable vocal stability, and a sincerity that resonates far beyond the stage, Seungmin didn't simply debut as another idol in the competitive world of K-pop. He cultivated his own identity, transforming dedication, discipline, and passion for music into one of the most respected vocal careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 22, 2000 in Seoul, South Korea, Kim Seungmin grew up in an environment that encouraged learning, self-improvement, and personal discipline. Long before international tours and chart-topping albums, he was a student with a strong interest in music, sports, and performance. His natural curiosity and determination would eventually guide him toward a career that would place him on some of the world's biggest stages. His journey into entertainment began when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment. Entering the trainee system introduced him to years of rigorous vocal practice, dance training, and performance development. Rather than relying on natural talent alone, Seungmin became known for his relentless work ethic and commitment to continuous improvement. In 2017, he participated in the survival program Stray Kids, where audiences witnessed his growth and dedication firsthand. The experience tested his resilience and strengthened his confidence as a performer. In 2018, he officially debuted as the main vocalist of Stray Kids alongside Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, and Ian. As Stray Kids rapidly expanded their global presence, Seungmin's vocals became an essential part of the group's identity. His voice combines clarity, emotional control, and consistency, allowing him to navigate both powerful anthems and emotional ballads with equal effectiveness. Whether delivering soaring choruses or intimate acoustic moments, he consistently demonstrates maturity beyond his years. Over time, Seungmin established himself as one of the most reliable vocalists among fourth-generation K-pop artists. His performances showcase precision, confidence, and emotional awareness, qualities that have earned praise from fans and industry professionals alike. Through countless live performances and international tours, he has continued refining his craft while maintaining remarkable vocal stability. By 2026, Seungmin is regarded as a versatile global performer. While he remains a key member of Stray Kids, he has also gained recognition through individual projects, special covers, and vocal performances that highlight his unique artistry. His career reflects steady growth built on consistency rather than shortcuts. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance, discipline, and professionalism. He is known for maintaining routines that support physical health, vocal conditioning, and personal development. Despite his demanding schedule, he often emphasizes the importance of preparation, practice, and self-improvement. His public image combines sophistication with approachability. Unlike performers who rely heavily on extravagant personas, Seungmin's appeal stems from authenticity and quiet confidence. His polished fashion choices, composed demeanor, and thoughtful communication style have contributed to a reputation that resonates with audiences across different cultures. While public interest frequently extends to his personal life, Seungmin remains relatively private. He consistently places focus on music, performance, and artistic growth. Fellow artists and industry professionals often describe him as dependable, hardworking, and exceptionally dedicated to his responsibilities. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, streaming platforms, and various entertainment activities. Beyond financial achievements, he has established long-term credibility as both a vocalist and performer within the global music industry. What many people find compelling is his consistency. In an entertainment landscape driven by trends and rapid change, Seungmin has built his reputation through reliability, steady improvement, and genuine passion for music. His ability to remain grounded while continuing to evolve artistically has become one of his defining strengths. Seungmin's journey is marked by perseverance rather than shortcuts. From a determined student in Seoul to one of K-pop's most respected vocalists, his rise reflects discipline, patience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern artistry, focused, dependable, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of intellect, introspection, and commanding lyrical presence, RM didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a deep passion for language and music into one of the most influential artistic voices in modern pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 12, 1994, in Ilsan, South Korea, RM's journey began far from the global spotlight. His earliest strengths were rooted in academics and curiosity. Known for his high IQ and exceptional academic performance, he developed a strong command of English at a young age, largely through self-study. Alongside academics, he cultivated a passion for poetry, writing, and music, gradually finding his voice through rap and lyrical expression. Before entering the mainstream industry, he was active in the underground hip-hop scene under the name Runch. There, he built credibility through raw lyricism and thoughtful themes, establishing a foundation that would later define his artistry. His decision to join Big Hit Entertainment marked a turning point, introducing him to a structured trainee system that would reshape his skills and direction. Years of disciplined training followed. Unlike many trainees, RM entered with a developed sense of artistic identity, focusing on refining his rap technique, songwriting, and production abilities. He also adapted to the performance demands of the K-pop industry, preparing for a role that would extend beyond music alone. In 2013, he officially debuted as the leader and main rapper of BTS. The group's early success quickly positioned them as a rising force, and RM's leadership became a central pillar of their growth. As both a creative contributor and spokesperson, he played a key role in shaping BTS's message and connecting with global audiences. His lyricism, thoughtful, reflective, and often philosophical, became one of BTS's defining elements. Through themes of identity, youth, societal pressure, and self-reflection, he contributed to a body of work that resonated across cultures. As BTS expanded into international markets, performing at major global venues and topping charts worldwide, RM emerged as a cultural bridge between East and West. His solo journey marked a deeper exploration of individuality. Through projects like Mono and his 2022 album Indigo, he presented a more introspective and experimental side of his artistry. The work blended alternative hip-hop with diverse musical influences, reflecting on identity, growth, and creative freedom. These projects reinforced his reputation as an artist driven by substance rather than convention. By 2026, RM is regarded as a multifaceted global figure. Industry observers recognize his intellectual depth and artistic consistency. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and cultural institutions view him as a representative of modern Korean artistry. His career reflects deliberate evolution, balancing global success with personal expression. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects calm sophistication and intellectual curiosity. He is known for his appreciation of art, literature, and museums, often engaging with creative works beyond music. His daily life emphasizes reflection, learning, and sustained creative focus. His fashion presence aligns with his persona. Favoring refined, minimalist aesthetics, he appears at global events with a composed and thoughtful style. His image is less about spectacle and more about quiet confidence and cultural depth. While public attention often surrounds his role as a global leader, he remains measured in what he shares personally. He consistently centers his narrative on growth, responsibility, and artistic direction. Within the industry, he is described as articulate, introspective, and deeply committed to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, brand collaborations, and solo projects. Beyond financial success, he has secured international credibility and lasting influence in both music and cultural discourse. What defines RM is intellectual honesty. He speaks openly about pressure, identity, and the complexities of fame, channeling these reflections into his music and public presence. This thoughtful transparency shapes his artistic identity. RM's journey is defined by depth rather than speed. From an underground rapper and student in Korea to a global cultural leader, his rise reflects discipline, vision, and a commitment to meaning. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international artistry, composed, reflective, and built for lasting impact. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.